I want to take the mystery out of factors. It's stuff you multiply to get to other stuff. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Ready? Here we go. A few examples, and you'll get what I mean. By the way, I'm going to give some examples that will give opportunity for some of you to earn some extra stamps right now, in case you're somewhat deficient on your stamp count. Watch this. What are the factors of 10? Somebody. Okay, so watch this. This stuff, you multiply to get to that stuff. So go to put an arrow and put factors here. Do that for me on your notes. Stuff, you multiply to get to that stuff. So far, so good. What do I have to multiply to get to x squared? Okay, look at this. This is the stuff I multiply to get to that stuff. So those are the factors there. So notice what we did. We went from a number to a term to the second power. Okay. Watch this now. Let me turn it up a notch. What about this stuff? What is that stuff? What is that called? Is it chicken? What is that? I just wrote. The turkey. Good job. What is this called? It's an expression. So I didn't throw you a number. I didn't throw you just a term. I threw you an expression now. And I'm asking, what's the stuff that I have to multiply to get to that stuff? Extra stamp. Somebody. 2 times x. Let's see. 2 times x would be 2x, not 2x plus 10. Thank you. Anybody else? What's the stuff I have to multiply to get to that stuff? You see the idea now. So whether you're struggling or not, I trust you see what I'm getting at. I'm not just asking for the factor of 10 or a variable. I have a whole expression now, and I'm asking, what's the stuff that I need to multiply to get to that? Extra stamp. Go ahead, what? 2 times x and 2 times 5? So I need a bunch of dots like this. So 2 times x and 2 times 5 like that? Okay, let's see. 2 times x is 2x. 2x times 2 is 4x. 4x times 5, 20x. Good try. So all I'm doing right now is asking what's the stuff I have to multiply to get to that? It could be more than 2 things, 2 items, by the way, if you want. So yeah, hit it. Okay, so let's see. Sevilla says 2, and then a binomial. Is she right? Yeah. Extra stamp period. So look at the factors here. The stuff I have to multiply to get to that stuff is actually a monomial. Look at one term. I'll put this on your notes. And this is a binomial. They're still factors, though. There's stuff I multiply to get to other stuff. All right. So I got a number, I got a variable, I got an expression. You can turn it up a notch, a little bit more now. Watch this. So the big idea right now is stuff I multiply to get to other stuff. Watch this. Stay with me. What stuff do I have to multiply to get this number? So what stuff do I have to multiply to get to that stuff? Sevilla is, give me a second here. Few people are disqualified from this one, like my math 2 students from last quarter. Albert's disqualified. Okay. Also disqualified. Martinez is disqualified. All right. What stuff do I multiply to get to that stuff? Be disqualified. You have any first quarter left? Not thinking about it. Did you give up? Are you the self-appointed spokesperson in the class? Yes. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to hear the rest of here. Go ahead. Well, let's see. Miss Sevilla, she gave us a monomial and a binomial. If that answers your question. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Okay, let's see if you're right. Give it to me. Raise up. X, parentheses. So monomial, binomial. So right here, plus 6. But a plus 6, I need a monomial or binomial or something. I need a term. So one more time.
Plus 2, and then parentheses 3.
But once I write plus 2, that's no longer a term anymore. I need parentheses because I'm thinking factors. Remember, stuff I have to multiply. It's got to be nothing but multiplication going on. There you go. Maybe that, yeah?
X plus 3.
X plus 3? Feels giving to me. All right, let's see. Let's see. X times x is x squared. X times 5 is 5x. Okay, so I got rid of these. Now I have to multiply it by x plus 3. This is what you guys worked on yesterday. X squared times x is x to the third. X squared times 3 is 3x squared. 5x times x is 5x squared. And 5x times 3 is 15x. Any like terms? No. Actually, these two, huh? That'd be 8x squared in the middle. I got the x to the third on the left and the 15x on the right. You could try them. I will depend on some of the veterans in here if someone can't get this. What's the stuff I have to multiply to get to that stuff? I think Quintana's got it somewhere. Let me see. Give me a second. I'll come to you right now. Or Alvarez, if you remember. Remember? Martinez. Veterans too? Wait, he's a veteran too. Hold on. Let me hear from the non-veterans before I depend on you guys. Head them on, hit it.
Does any firm involve?
No, not this one. It's possible, but not this one though. All right. The stuff I need to multiply to get to this stuff. Let's go with Quintana, and if he doesn't get it, I'll go with Martinez. Go. Let's see if Quintana's got it. So Quintana is saying, look, it's going to be 2 binomials. Do we know how to multiply binomials in here? Yeah, that's what we did yesterday. Remember, you guys are in groups. That's all we did the whole period, practically. FOIL, right? X times x, x times 3, 2 times x, 2 times 3. Add these puppies. Yep, you got it. So these are the factors of that, because this is the stuff I multiply to get to that stuff. So on your notes, go to write factors. So the factors are not just numbers. Factors are actually whole binomials now. A binomial times a binomial ends up being that trinomial that we started off with. This stuff I multiply to get to that stuff. Cool. Now, what the heck went on in my mind, because I knew the answer, what the heck went on in Quintana's mind for him to go from here to here? That's what I'm about to teach you with a few examples. It's real easy. It's, oh yeah, kind of here, but I'm too. You can do this, I think. It's very easy. And that's what I'm going to teach you, and we're done, just for about 10 more minutes. Here we go. How do we go from this trinomial to get the 2 binomial factors in a very cool technique, little algebraic judo, so to speak? Stay with me.